Imagine a future where fresh vegetables and herbs grow effortlessly in your kitchen, living room, or even on your balcony. Thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, or AI, this vision is rapidly becoming a reality. AI technology is transforming hydroponic systems and home vertical farms, making them smarter, more efficient, and accessible for everyone. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing these innovative farming methods, from real-time monitoring and predictive analytics to automated tasks, resource optimization, and smart home integration. AI systems use smart sensors to monitor essential factors like pH levels, temperature, humidity, and light in real time. Imagine a smart gardener who never sleeps. These sensors are like its eyes and ears, constantly checking on the plants. If it notices that something is off, such as the temperature being too high or the pH level being too low, it immediately adjusts these settings to create the perfect growing environment. This keeps plants healthy, growing quickly, and producing more food, all while using fewer resources, like water and energy. AI doesn't just react to current conditions. It can also predict future needs and potential problems. By studying past data and current trends, AI can forecast when crops might need more nutrients, identify the best time for harvesting, and even detect diseases early. Think of it as a crystal ball for farming that helps farmers make smart decisions ahead of time, preventing problems before they happen. Traditionally, farming involves a lot of manual labor: planting, watering, and harvesting. AI-driven robots and automated systems can now handle these repetitive tasks efficiently and consistently. Picture robots that plant seeds, water the crops at just the right time, and even harvest them when they're ripe. This reduces the need for human labor, cuts down costs, and ensures every task is done perfectly every single time. AI is a master at using resources wisely. For instance, it can control the amount of water each plant gets, ensuring no drop is wasted. It adjusts lighting to provide just the right amount needed for growth, reducing electricity use. AI also fine-tunes the nutrients given to each plant, ensuring they get exactly what they need to grow strong without any excess or waste. This smart use of resources makes hydroponic and vertical farms more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. AI allows farmers to create perfect growing conditions tailored to specific plants. It helps develop crops that can withstand extreme weather, taste better, or have more nutritional value. With AI, farmers can grow a wider variety of crops in different environments, even if the weather outside isn't ideal. This customization leads to healthier and tastier food for everyone. AI-powered hydroponic and vertical farming systems can seamlessly connect with other smart home devices. Imagine controlling your indoor garden with a voice command, or having your home's heating and cooling systems automatically adjust to create the perfect environment for your plants. This integration makes managing a home garden as easy as controlling your thermostat or lights, adding convenience and fun to urban farming. AI analyzes vast amounts of data collected from these farming systems to offer valuable insights for improvement. It can identify the most profitable crops to grow, the best times for planting and harvesting, and the most efficient ways to use water and nutrients. These insights help make farming more effective and efficient, leading to higher productivity and sustainability. In summary, by harnessing the power of AI, hydroponic systems and home vertical farms are becoming more advanced, efficient, and sustainable. Real-time monitoring, predictive analytics, automation, smart resource use, and integration with home technologies are just a few ways AI is transforming urban agriculture. As a result, we can look forward to a future where fresh, locally grown produce is available year-round, even in the middle of cities, helping to improve food security, reduce environmental impact, and create healthier communities. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.